What's up, good people? How you doing? This is Larry Jones. Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. If you're new to the page, hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Hey, we got a lot to talk about. Today we're going to talk about two stock in particular. One stock, one crypto. That stock is Lucid Motors. What the heck happened? And the crypto is Ethereum. What the heck happened? All right. Actually, it's good and good. All right, let's start with Lucid Motors, and then we'll go to crypto, okay? So Lucid Motors, there was a lockout date, and that date for the PIPE investors was today, the 1st, right? And so for those of you that understand SPACs, remember, we made a lot of money in SPACs last year, special purpose acquisition companies. The purchase price for the PIPE investors is usually set at $10. All of the SPACs was $10. And remember, $10 was the floor. So if you bought SPACs early and it dropped down to $9.80, you could actually redeem them for $10 before the merger, okay? And so what happened was the Lucid actually did theirs at $15. So the PIPE price was $15 and not $10, right? You remember all of that debacle with the evaluations being off, and that's why when they announced the merger and all the details came out, a while back, months back, that's when it kind of plummeted, remember? So now, the purchase price for the PIPE is $15. So instead of the floor being 10, now it's 15. So with the lockout period, today was the day that they could sell it. And when they sell it, if they sell their shares, what happens is the price usually comes around their purchase price, which was 15. So I made a purchase early this morning, pre-market at 15.39. I made a post, I believe it was 15.39. I made a post on my Instagram page, okay? So I've been out working. We're building a new studio, building a new set. And so I've been out working, but I made a purchase pre-market at 15.39, I believe it was. I'll show you the post. So what happens is every time these things like this happens, it actually makes the price even better. So remember, about a month ago, I told you guys I sold my Lucid, and some people were like, oh, why did you sell Lucid? Because I wanted to get it in a better price. Not in my long-term high-growth portfolio, but I had another portfolio that I was swing trading some Lucid. And I sold it because I had it at $19. And I was asked, why? I said, because I believe I can get a better price. Now, I got it at $15.39. And I bought the same amount of shares that I sold for a profit, okay? But I sold it and I got in at $15.39. And of course, it ran back up. Last I saw, it was just under $18. So if you bought this morning while it dipped, leave me a comment if you bought it, okay? And so just remember, think about this. There was a company, NNDM. Man, they had share offerings, share dilutions all of the time. What most people do is they sold when there was a share dilution, right? Because they wanted to raise capital. And I bought every time they had a share dilution after it fell. Because people always do what? Knee-jerk reactions, and they overreact. So I buy when everybody else is panicking. And I made money so many times swing trading NNDM. When everybody else panicked every time they did a share offering, just look at what the stock is showing you and manipulate the market. Remember, I do a lot of psychology trading and not just by charts, okay? And so Lucid dipped down. I was able to get in at a much lower price because I was at $21. Now I'm in at $15.39. I went all in because I was trying to time it, and when it went down to $15.39, I got in. It went down a little lower than that, but no one can guess the floor. So I'm a happy camper. I hope you guys did. If something happens with NEO, and it comes down to a lower price for me to take, the risk of China, because NIO is a great car company. It's just China I don't like. Then I'm going to get back in, because you gotta manage the risk, okay? I believe NIO's going to be fine, like they did before. They're going to be in compliance, and they're going to be fine. But I just wait for opportunities like this, okay, good people? And so now let's go to crypto, all right? Ethereum is ripping it, good people. Remember, we bought it at 1,700 just weeks ago. We bought it at 1,700 4 times. If you followed me, remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I didn't tell you to get it. But if you followed what Larry did and got it at 1,700, leave me a comment, because I brought it up 4 times. Now it's at 37.27. Ethereum is just ripping. And I looked at my portfolio and I was like, is something wrong? Oh yeah, that's right. 37. I thought it would hit 35 this week, but it hit 37. Actually, I looked at it, it was 37.27. Okay, good people? So we're killing it with Ethereum, and we're killing it with Cardano. And I bought some more Solano I was dollar cost averaging. So, and then I bought some more a few days ago at 100, and it's at 115. It just keeps adding more and more too. I didn't go in heavy like some of you guys did and got it at a great price. I just started dollar cost averaging in, right? And so I bought a few more when it hit 100 because it was running. Of course, that's against what I do. I don't chase stuff that's running, but I have a good feeling about Solano, so I bought some more. But Ethereum at 37.27 is killing the game, good people. We winning. So I just want to say this, and I'm going to restate this. If you're building wealth, it's okay for us to do these swing trades, but we need to be rolling with the big dogs, meaning we need to be in the big companies. And if you want to create generational wealth, you need to be willing to hold a stock for a generation. So if you're in the EVs and you don't have Tesla, I'm adding to my Tesla long term, because I believe Tesla is going to do just like Apple did. Companies that change the world grow over time. Look at Apple over the last 10 years, and then look at Apple over the last 20 years, and look at what it did. And think about if you would have dollar cost average out. Now, going to crypto, I'm going to say the same thing about the two big dogs in crypto. To me, they are Bitcoin and Ethereum. And of course, I'm way more bullish on Ethereum than I am Bitcoin. So if you just got the Shibu Inu, the Holy Ghost coin is what I call it, or you just got Dogecoin and you don't have any Ethereum, and if you don't have any Bitcoin, I think you're missing it. So it's okay to have those coins, but start investing in the major coins, because there's not enough Bitcoin to go around for all the millionaires. It's not. And because there's a certain amount, the more adoption we get, the longer this coin continues to grow, or this crypto continues to grow, the more valuable it's going to become. So remember, there's more millionaires than there are Bitcoin. So start adding and building that generational wealth now. And then 5-10 years down the road, you're going to be in a place of power, good people. So I just want to say that. I think it's both good news. I think that Ethereum is going to continue to run. I still believe that ADA is going to hit $5. But I believe that Lucid Motors, there's going to be some volatility, but long term, it's going to be a great company, just like Tesla will. If you bought some Lucid on the dips pre-market, leave me a comment. And if you bought Ethereum at 1,700 and you followed the fam, let me know that, or just let me know where you bought it at. Okay, good people? Again, I'm on these allergy medicines and it's messing me up. Yesterday, I was making a parable about Noah and I said Moses. All right, but I'm good today, good people. All right, so hey, check out all my links below. All right, I want to tell you one thing important. Check out all my links below, right? For those of you that don't have any crypto and you would like to get into crypto, I have 2 links below. I have BlockFi and I have Coinbase. Download both of them, deposit $100, and then there's videos that teach you how to use it, and you earn free Bitcoin. With the BlockFi, they even have a credit card that you can earn interest, and 1.5, they'll pay you interest on your purchases in Bitcoin, okay? Then you can also earn interest on the Bitcoin that you purchase. So someone asked, why do you use BlockFi? All right? And for all of your regular, let's say your Lucid, you want to buy that with the Webull. And I have an app down there. Listen, I have a Instagram page, and I made this post early this morning about what I was doing. And because I wasn't where I could film, there was a lot going on, and I'm trying to do things, and I just made a post early this morning. But there are some fake pages like mine. My page link, my Instagram page link is in the description. Only use the click here on YouTube. You only click the link, and it'll lead you right to my page. I will never ask you for any information. I will never ask you to send any money anywhere. That's spam on this page and any other page, and on Instagram. So don't fall for it, good people. All right? We love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn.